I've been looking forward to doing this car since it came in at Unique, especially in Classics. Take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet El Camino SS, true SS, 138 VIN car. Numbers matching 396, as well as a numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. Power steering, AC blows cold. And take a look at the bright work. Chrome bumper, headlights, surrounds, grille up front on this one. Yes, and that paint behind it's really gonna stand out too. This car was recently taken in and had paint correction done to it. Ceramic, I believe the previous owner said, and it shows. Look at that paint scheme and condition, and we're going to get into that a little bit more as we walk around it. First, I want to mention this will come with a 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan, and that is extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate first, though, just to make sure. Check out all the still pictures, 507-386-1726. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody else to come take a look at this car for you, you can't make it, look at it yourself, feel free to. Man, especially on this car. 15-inch rally wheels. And then look at how long and straight these panels are, how well that paint shows. Cordovan maroon, be an N paint code. Saddle interior, so saddle, vinyl bench seat. We're gonna get over to the driver's side, let you check that out in just a bit too. We're gonna start it up. I want to show you a few other things on this car. First, you need to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome on the rear of this car and even the bed. Look at the paint condition in the bed of this. It's as nice as the exterior of the car. Just crazy. Then take a look down this driver's side. Again, those long panels and how straight they are. If they had a bunch of poor workmanship in them or restoration work, it would show. Just look at that. All right, I want to show you something cool on the inside of the car too. All right, first of all, SS badging, of course. Saddle vinyl interior, really not much wear at all in the seating area. Headliner's good. As far as the floor mats, there's pictures underneath them. And with the still pictures, carpeting's good. Here's something I want to show you. Check out the tack. See that? That is a working tack. The clock on the right side also working. We'll let this warm up a tad. It does have dual exhaust, MagnaFlow exhaust, AC blows cold, blower fan works. Wipers work. It sounded like the AM radio would power up and get some static, but it was unable to get reception. It could be due to the fact we're in a building or AM radio may just have static. All right. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Now you see that door closes. Give me an idea of how it sounds from behind. Slip up. Give me a second to pop this hood. Check out this engine bay. One thing I did want to mention too, it is an ET suffix code on the block. So that'd be a 396, 325 horse. That is for the correct year, 1968. And again, numbers matching. Let me get the hood open. Let's check that out a little closer. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And yes, the engine bay looks as good as the exterior of the car. Again, power steering, AC blows cold. It is also being converted, you see here. So it is the 134A. Battery disconnect. Numbers matching, 396, 325 horse. Compared to that numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. The beauty, 1968 Chevrolet El Camino SS, true SS, 138 car. Remember the 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1968 Chevrolet El Camino. Nice burgundy color on the outside and a tan interior. Dressed with SS 396 badges. Our turn signals are working. So very good acceleration, excellent shifting, and an excellent exhaust note. Letting go of the wheel stays nice and straight in the lane of the road. It's a smooth ride. I'm not feeling any shakes or shimmies from any tires or suspension or anything like that. Great power steering, easy to steer, automatic on the center console. Our wipers are working. The blower motor does also work. Get a little bit of noise from the radio, but I can't pick up a station, at least right now. Brakes feel like they're probably manual brakes, but they do work great. The interior on this is very nice. The whole car is really in good condition. Shows charging. The oil pressure is at 3/4. Fuel is at about 1/8 of a tank. The temperature gauge has not moved. I do not see the needle, so that one may not be functioning. The tachometer on this is great. It's a needle that goes vertically up a wheel. It looks like the price is right. It's awesome. This car has such a great sound from that 396. You got to check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com for all the pictures, details,